and today we are doing April 2026 reading. तो ये जो रीडिंग है we are going to do it according to our zodiac sign. तो आप अपने सन मून राइजिंग के हिसाब से अपना zodiac sign choose कर सकते हैं. For pile 1 we are going to have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo, Sagittarius and Leo. And for pile 2 Capricorn, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio and Aries. So the details are given below in the description box, and let's get started. So if you are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo, Sagittarius and Leo, this is going to be your reading. So let's get started. We'll start with our basic energies. Pile 1, reading for pile 1. Energies. Okay, so we have Queen of Pentacles in reverse, the World in reverse. Okay, these are too many cards. Pile 1, Page of Wands. I need one more card. Pile 1, over. Pile 1. Okay. एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन रहने वाली है इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल फॉर यू पीपल, दैट व्हाट आई कैन सी. नॉट नेगेटिव confusion, but I feel this month is going to cost you in terms of finances, but somewhere positive, because Queen of Pentacles in reverse है. तो Queen जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इतना खर्चा नहीं करती, बहुत सोच समझ के करती है, बट वो सोच समझ के भी खर्चा बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, राइट. आई फील यू मे फील बाउंड एज इन connected to some person, to some situations, or in general you may feel like that your life has a boundary now, right. And that can, maybe you are you are a free spirited person, जैसे पेज ऑफ वॉन्ड्स है जो बहुत फ्री स्पिरिटेड है, जो किसी की नहीं सुनता, राइट. द वर्ल्ड इन रिवर्स, द वे शी इज़ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सर्कल, है ना. तो ऐसे है कि बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे लगेगा कि बहुत मतलब यू मे फील बाउंड नाउ, ठीक है. तो यू विल बी एक्साइटेड बट यू विल बी ग्राउंडेड. तो वो जो एक वो होता है ना कि बहुत बंधा बंधा भी महसूस होना और बहुत ज़्यादा फ्री स्पिरिटेड भी फील करना, तो वो चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं मन को ऐसे जो वेव्स होते हैं, जो इमोशंस रहते हैं, वो ऐसे थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करेगा, राइट. तो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम सीइंग फॉर द ओवरऑल मैसेजेस. आई नीड वन मोर कार्ड फॉर पाइल 1. Pile 1. One more card for pile 1. Okay. Ace of Cups, beautiful card, and 3 of Cups. ये कार्ड पहले भी आया था बट it actually wanted to come, so let's just keep it here. Okay, so by the end of month you will feel contented, you will feel like safe, secure, healed, right. Ace of Cups is like एंजल्स ब्लेसिंग जैसे होती है, जैसे यूनिवर्स की तरफ से ऐसे कोई गिफ्ट मिला हुआ होता है आपको, समथिंग, समवन, कोई सिचुएशन, कोई पर्सन यू हैव बीन मैनिफेस्टिंग फ्रॉम सो लॉन्ग, राइट. I also see with the 3 of Cups, you are going to attend some family gathering, some party or get together with friends, something like that. राइट. सो दैट इज समथिंग. तो स्टार्टिंग ऐसे हो सकती है दैट यू मे फील बिट like nervous, even cautious, but as the month moves ahead, after the like third week of this month, you will feel like very contented, you will feel safe, you feel like ki, yes, this is what I was looking for, like, right? So Ace of Cups also talks about arrival of new love, or making connections, meeting with people, right? हो सकता है कि किसी ऐसे um, किसी फैमिली मेम्बर के थ्रू या किसी फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू यू आर मीटिंग समवन, राइट? थ्री ऑफ कप्स, that is good. So you all in general you can make new friends, तो एक्सपेंशन इज देयर. ठीक है, तो इतना बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े लेवल पे तो नहीं, बट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्सपेंशन इज देयर बिकॉज वर्ल्ड इज इन रिवर्स, बट थ्री ऑफ कप्स इज स्टिल देयर. तो सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्सपेंशन इज देयर. फैमिली एक्सपेंशन हो सकती है, वर्क एक्सपैंड हो सकता है, बट कप्स है तो मोस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ फैमिली, राइट? तो दिस इज योर ओवरऑल एनर्जी फॉर month of April. Now let's see for our work and finances for pile 1. Pile 1, okay, we have one card. Pile 1, career and finances in the month of April. For pile 1, turn off. Just take this one. So first we have expect the powerful change, new moon in eclipse. Beautiful, beautiful card. So in terms of finances and career, I feel definitely changes are there, some sort of changes, maybe change of mindset. With that I can also see कि that you need to be more receptive about your work. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक काम है तो यू जस्ट स्टिक टू इट, एक्सपैंड योर होराइजन. ये मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है दैट यू नीड टू एक्सपैंड योर होराइजन, यू नीड टू एक्सपैंड योर एक्सपर्टीज़, राइट? जो भी काम आप कर रहे हो, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि फ्यूचर में ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप उसी से रिलेटेड कोई कुछ ऐसा, कुछ नई अपॉर्चुनिटी आ सकती है आपकी लाइफ में, कोई ऐसे नई अपॉर्चुनिटी जिसकी वजह से आपको अपना मे बी पोजिशन चेंज करनी पड़ सकती है, या मे बी यू मे हैव टू डील विद सम अदर काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. सो यू बेसिकली नीड टू बी रिसेप्टिव अबाउट न्यू थिंग्स. और मे बी आपको अगर बोला जा रहा है कि मे बी यू आर हैविंग दिस ट्रेनिंग, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट गो फॉर इट. Personal issue reaches resolution, so maybe any kind of thing that you have been like you've been waiting to change, right? I feel that is coming to its like what to say, epilogue or the ending, right? You are basically getting the fruit of your hard work, right? Cancer is a sign of emotional contentment as well. तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि you are satisfied with the work that you are doing, right? But also with that you need to be receptive, right? You need to still look for changes, for growth, right? कि मैं what is there that I can learn more, right? And you and your loved ones are safe. So if you are like maybe shifting your workplace, or maybe changing your job, and you're worried about your family, that how you're going to deal with it, or maybe how you're going to balance your your personal life and your professional life, right? So I feel that is going to be balanced. And the best thing is we have full moon in Cancer and new moon in Cancer. So again, Cancer is going to be very prominent. We have Ace of Cups as well. Again, water sign. Three of Cups is also water, right? So like water signs are going to be significant in the month of April. So water signs are like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. So if you're dealing with these kind of people, people who are like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio, they are going to play a very like significant role in your life. Or in general, if you are not dealing with any kind of person, so what I feel is you are going to come out of, again, Cancer is something that adapt very easily, right? And Cancers respect the changes, राइट बहुत जल्दी मोल्ड हो जाते हैं, बहुत जल्दी अडाप्ट कर लेते हैं. सो आई फील लाइक चेंजेस आर गोइंग टू बी देयर, यू आर गोइंग टू बी कंफर्टेबल इन द पोजिशन दैट यू आर राइट नाउ, बट बी रिसेप्टिव, right? Do not resist change, do not resist the information or knowledge coming in, right? That is what is there in terms of career and finances. Finances, I've already mentioned that this month can be a bit costly for you since we have Queen of Pentacles in reverse here, राइट. बट ऐसा कुछ अननेसेसरी खर्चा नहीं होगा. खर्चा इस तरीके से होगा कि समथिंग दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट. तो ऐसे कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा द कॉस्ट कैन बी बिग बट अननेसेसरी नहीं होगी, ज़रूरी होगी, लाइक ज़रूरत होती है. जैसे मे बी यू आर बाइंग लाइक समथिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट, मे बी सोफा सेट और बेड सेट, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट. और यू आर मे बी बाइंग, परचेजिंग एनी प्लॉट और हाउस, राइट. तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू कॉस्ट बिग अमाउंट, बट ऐसा नहीं होगा कि ज़रूरत नहीं थी उस चीज़ की. तो यू आर स्पेंडिंग ऑन समथिंग दैट इज़ नीडेड, राइट. लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स योर लव लाइफ, लव एंड पर्सनल लाइफ, पाइल 1. Love and I do see that people who are looking for love, there is someone significant coming in your life, like because we have Ace of Cups, that means कि मतलब है कि कोई नया आपकी लाइफ में आ रहा है, कोई पर्सन who's coming into your life जो कि चेंज कर सकता है. अब ज़रूरी नहीं है that is just in terms of love. I do feel that that person can be in, you know, कैन बी अ फ्रेंड ऑफ योर्स, जो कि आप एक नया फ्रेंड बना रहे हैं, या यू आर मीटिंग समवन थ्रू योर फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली, राइट. सो दैट इज देयर. बट इफ देर इज एनी some messages that you need to know for pile 1, pile love, life and personal. One more time. Okay, so we have the Bitch, Queen of Mirrors. Queen of Mirrors is basically Queen of Swords. Okay, so you need to be very aware of the people who may back bitch about you, who may like, you know, can cause a third party situation. So Queen of Mirrors is, और क्वीन ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स इज बेसिकली जिसकी वजह से सेपरेशन हो सकती है. तो यू नीड टू बी वेरी अवेयर अबाउट इट, राइट. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द गाइडेंस, आई वुड से have a clear communication. So if there is something that you need to talk to your partner, right, and if you are single, you meet someone in this month, I would suggest have a very clear mindset, have a very clear cut communication that this is what I'm looking for, right, or maybe this is what my past holds, or this is what I'm looking for, right. So have a clear communication, okay, that is what is there, right. Or else have a direct conversation, talk to your person clearly, what is in your mind, what is that you're looking for, and maybe this is what that you're expecting, or you know, you want your person to do. Knight of Roses, which is a Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands is like very charming person, a person who know how to present himself or herself, तो नाइट ऑफ रोजेस ये बता रहा है दैट देर इज ग्रोथ, देर इज मूवमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर लव. So if you are single, I'm seeing that there is someone who's going to come into your life and very soon, right? um, but again, you need to be very aware about the number one, um, red flags. Number two, if there is any third party situation. I need two more cards. Okay. Seven of mirror, exactly. For the wrong person. So there could be someone, if you are in relationship, there could be someone जो कि misunderstanding create कर सकता है. जैसे इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेम्स है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा जैसे आग लगाने का काम कर सकता है आप दोनों के बीच में. इफ़ यू आर इन रिलेशनशिप, आई कैन ऑल्सो सी दैट you can receive a message on your social media जिसकी वजह से यू मे फील समथिंग, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा फील हो सकता है, बहुत ज़्यादा सस्पिशियस आपको फील करवाया जा सकता है. बट अगेन, दैट इज़ वाई क्वीन ऑफ मिरर्स इज हियर. शी इज सेइंग हैव अ क्लियर कट कम्युनिकेशन बिफोर मेकिंग एनी हैस्टेड डिसीजंस. नाइट्स आर द मैसेंजर्स, जो वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर मैसेजेस लेकर जाते हैं, राइट? तो वो जो मैसेजेस जा रहे हैं, मेक श्योर कि आप दोनों के बीच में कोई थर्ड पार्टी ऐसे मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट ना करे, राइट? एंड सेवन ऑफ मिरर्स, और जो कि है सेवन ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स इन रियल डेक. तो दिस इज़ अगेन कार्ड ऑफ बिट्रेयल, या फिर ऐसे कोई थर्ड पार्टी सिचुएशन, या कोई आगे बीच में आग लगा देने वाला, और एनीथिंग दैट यू मे गेट सस्पिशियस, so you need to ask for it from your person. So one more card. We have Queen of Roses, beautiful. So we have started with Queen of Mirrors, now we have Queen of Roses, and then we have the Bachelorette, which is the princess. So definitely, number one, you're going to, like, you're dressing up, you're looking good in this month, you're dressing up for someone, right? And maybe going on date, or maybe meeting someone. So you're going to look good because queens look good, queens look pretty. And then we have the Bachelorette. The Bachelorette is basically the empress is always beautiful. So you're going to look beautiful, and if you're meeting someone, you're going to meet someone who's very beautiful, who know how to dress well, who know how to present herself or himself, right? And यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है the beauty queen, right? The one thing that I can also see is you may also meet someone जिसमें ये तीनों personalities हो. She can or he can be that bold personality, जो फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि कौन है सामने, तो वो सामने से बोल देना, right? Then she is going to be soft and beautiful, and how to be the charm of the party. So the person that you're going to meet is going to have all these personality, and not only that, he is going to do good in the career as well. He or she is going to do good in the career as well. ऐसा भी हो सकता है सोशल मीडिया पर they are doing something, सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे they have something, so they are going to have good followers over there. Otherwise, I do also feel कि the connection that you are making right now in the month of April, उसकी वजह से आपके followers बहुत बढ़ने वाले हैं. तो फॉलोअर्स बढ़ने वाले हैं, तो ये भी एडवाइस दी जा रही है, डू नॉट शेयर एवरीथिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज इट कैन जिंक्स थिंग्स, कि सोशल मीडिया पर लोग उल्टी सीधी बातें करके तो वो नेगेटिविटी फैला देते हैं. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो एडवाइजेबल बिकॉज सेवन ऑफ मिरर्स इज हेयर, राइट? ओके, व्हाट एल्स नाउ? एडिशनल मैसेजेस, एडिशनल गाइडेंस फॉर पाइल 1. Okay, let's see additional messages for pile 1. I actually wanted to use a different deck, but let's go with this first. Additional messages for pile 1. Additional messages or guidance for pile 1. Nice. It is destiny. इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज यहाँ पर जो मैंने कार्ड ऊपर आया हुआ है वो भी डेस्टिनी का ही कार्ड है. द डेस्टिनी इज़ बेसिकली दी व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून एंड यहाँ पर भी फिर से दोबारा डेस्टिनी आया हुआ है. दिस इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. सो यू आर बेसिकली देयर इज समथिंग going on, something big is going on, something that you know you have been manifesting from so long, something that you have been wishing from so long, and something that was already written that is also coming into light. The card says the reunion with your twin flame is a destined event. Beautiful. So you are actually meeting your soul tribe, your soul family, above all your soul mate, right? So if you believe in soulmate, twin flame, or the partner that you've been looking for, the one that you have made for you, I think that is coming into your life in the month of April. Or if you are in relationship with someone, or I feel that this is the one for you, right? This person is your twin flame. Nice, beautiful. One more card for pile 1. Okay. This says window, a new adventure in love is coming. Get ready. So get ready, pile 1. A new adventure is coming for you. Again, you have to be very receptive. You have to be receptive, plus you have to be giving as well. That's what I can see. You need to look for it, you need to be receptive about it, and when you receive this particular thing, this particular person, you have to be giving as well. That's what I can see, right? Let's see few other messages for pile 1. Okay, this card wishes to come. Star, beautiful. Star family. Star family is basically your destined family, the family that was meant for you, right? You're part of a team of souls. Call in support. So if you are like someone, you feel lost all the time, or if you are that you want to feel what home feels like, this is your sign. April is the month, right? I also feel like if this intense message is coming for you, थोड़ा सा meditation करना, थोड़ा सा ध्यान लगाना, going to spiritual or religious places is going to help you, right? During the month of April you may have intense dreams आ सकते हैं, intense feeling आ सकती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग आ सकती है आपको. इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग कनेक्शंस, इफ़ यू आर मीटिंग पीपल, आई फील यू विल फील लाइक कि इट फील्स लाइक होम, कि इनको तो मैं पहले से ही जानता था, राइट? This is what I feel coming for you in the month of April, right? One more card. It says star bathing, light body, crystal grid, transmission activation. So you're basically you are basically reaching where you are supposed to reach, right? And bottom of the deck we have star ancestors, lost wisdom, look a little deeper. So basically meeting people again. You are basically meeting people from your past lives, from the people जो आपके लिए बने हैं. So it is good, not that particular person, but the family as a whole. You are making new friends जिनको आपको देख के ऐसा लगेगा कि these are my people, these are my people from my tribe. Beautiful messages, pile 1, and I won't stretch it further, but the guidance, if I look for the overall overview for this reading, I would say you need to be receptive, right? Be open for love, for the changes, even in career, right? You're meeting your soul family, your soul partner, if you are meeting, right? If you are meeting even new friends, if you are making new friends, even if they are colleagues, even if you are changing your workplace, you are going to a place जहाँ पे आपका सोल पर्पस आप सर्व करने वाले हैं, राइट। डेस्टिनी इज फेट इज एट वर्क, जो वो बोलते हैं ना कि यूनिवर्स अपना काम कर रहा है, वो डिवाइन टाइमिंग अपना काम कर रही है. सो दिस इज द मंथ दैट कैन चेंज अ लॉट, बट फॉर दैट बी ओपन दैट विंडो, एंड मेडिटेट, जितना हो सकता है उतना मेडिटेट करना या ध्यान लगाना, सिट अलोन एंड थिंक एंड इंट्रोस्पेक्ट द चेंजेस दैट आर गोइंग अराउंड, right? So that is all, pile 1. And if you liked it, if messages resonate with you, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello pile 2, I welcome you to your reading. So if you are Capricorn, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, this is going to be your reading. Let's get started. आप अपनी रीडिंग सन, मून या राइजिंग साइन से भी, किसी से भी देख सकते हैं. So we'll start with your general reading, general guidance. Okay, we have Two of Cups in reverse, we have Nine of Swords. Okay, you are moving on from something. Eight of Cups. Okay, King of Swords. Let's take one more card. Okay, two cards. Nice. And bottom of the deck we have the Hanged Man in reverse. Okay, we have Nine of Wands and Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so what I can see for you, pile 2, like I said earlier, you are moving on from something, right? You have finally realized your worth, that आपने बहुत सहन कर लिया है, and you are worthy of good, right? You are worthy of all the happiness in the world. तो फाइनली दैट मे बी यू आर कि मे बी यू आर विद अ पर्सन और इन अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा इट्स फाइन, कि थोड़ा सा और देख लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा और देख लेते हैं, मे बी सिचुएशन संभल जाए. बट इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल यू विल फील लाइक कि अब जो पानी है वो सर के ऊपर से जा चुका है, राइट? एंड यू आर रियलाइजिंग दैट इट्स टाइम टू मूव ऑन. एंड डेफिनेटली moving on is not easy. It will strain us from emotionally, mentally, even physically, but I feel actually taking a step ahead. You may feel nostalgic कि मेमोरीज सरफेस पर आ सकती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा याद आ सकती है किसी पर्सन की या किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस की, एंड यू फील कि नहीं एक बार वापस जाते हैं, या फिर एक बार टेक्स्ट कर देते हैं, एक बार कॉल कर देते हैं, या फिर मे बी रीडिंग दी ओल्ड मैसेजेस अगैन एंड अगैन. ठीक है, तो वो अप एंड डाउन, वो पुश एंड पुल, वो चलता रहेगा. बट आई फील वो सिर्फ आप ही की तरफ से है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द मंथ where you're going to realize your worth. This is the month where you're going to realize that the situation you were in, that the people you're dealing with, they were not your people, right? So with the Two of Cups in reverse, I feel like emotionally you will feel very exhausted. Mentally you will feel very exhausted. Even physically this will cost you a bit. But as the time passes, I feel you will move on. ठीक है, इनसिक्योरिटी सरफेस पर आ सकती हैं, बट विद टाइम, स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू विल मूव अहेड. आई फील अप्रैल आपको बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड मंथ लग सकता है, क्योंकि कि अब चीज़ें मूव होंगी आगे, तो उस चीज़ से थोड़ा सा व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू मेडिटेट, यू आर गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ, यू आर गोइंग टू बी ग्रेटफुल, डूइंग ग्रैटिट्यूड वर्क, है ना वो, तो उससे चीज़ें बहुत मूव होने वाली हैं आगे, राइट? आई ऑल्सो फील कि सोशल मीडिया पर जैसे वो जो होता है ना कि ब्लॉक कर दिया आपको, या आपने ब्लॉक कर दिया फिर अनब्लॉक किया फिर मैसेजेस किए, तो आई कैन ऑल्सो सी दैट हैपनिंग राइट इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल फॉर यू. थिंग्स विल मूव अहेड बट बहुत स्लो चलेंगी राइट और वही चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिविटी लेकर आ सकती है राइट. ओके, let's see messages for your क्या पहले लव लाइफ पहले करियर के लिए. लेट्स सी messages for your career for pile 1. okay, communication is the key. This is exactly, communication is the key. You need to talk right in terms of, even if this thing happening here is causing stress and that is affecting your career, तो आपको उस चीज़ के लिए भी बात करनी पड़ सकती है. और मुझे ऐसे बहुत नेगेटिव कार्ड्स दिख रहे हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा भी लग सकता है इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर थेरेपी, इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर पीपल टू टॉक, आई फील दैट सपोर्ट इज देयर. वो लोग हैं वहाँ पर, वो सपोर्ट है वहाँ पर. all you have to do is to come out from that person's dream or illusion. ठीक है, you need to look for yourself now. For pile 1 you need to move that for pile 1, finance and career. Okay, we have adjustments are required. You need to adjust given the cards right. You need to work on your you need to work basically. Maybe you need to distract yourself for a bit so that you can focus on your work. And कुछ adjustments are required. Maybe कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि चेंज हो जाए, आपकी टाइमिंग चेंज हो जाए इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको ट्रैवल करना पड़ सकता है. और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आप कहीं और पर, यू मे हैव शिफ्टेड टू सम प्लेस, अब आप दोबारा पुरानी जगह पर जा रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से बहुत नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग हो रही है आपको, एंड दैट इज कॉजिंग थोड़ा सा ऐसे हैवी फील हो रहा है. तो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू एडजस्ट. The next few cards we have, your hard work is paying off definitely in terms of your career and finances. तो आपने करियर वर्क प्लेस पे जो भी हार्ड वर्क किया है राइट, दैट इज गोइंग टू पे ऑफ. एंड conclusions are within reach. You're soon going to get the fruit of your labor, soon going to get the fruit of the hard work that you have done in the past. एंड मुझे फॉर सम रीज़न जेमिनाई से, दो यहाँ पे कैप्रिकॉन पे, बट मुझे जेमिनाई से आई एम गेटिंग वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग. मिड मे टू मिड जून इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट टाइम फ्रेम फॉर योर करियर एंड फाइनेंसेस. तो समथिंग इज गोइंग टू चेंज in the month of May and June, right? So if you're looking to change, I feel that change is there, right? Maybe abhi na hai, that is why the adjustments are required, tabhi ye card aaya hai. But in the month of May to June you may see that change in the in the workplace. ठीक है, if you are not doing anything, if you are not working anywhere, I feel that is the time frame maybe for the new job that you're looking for. But communicate, maybe if you want change, communicate to people, right? Talk to them about the job that you are looking for, right? What sort of maybe timing you're looking for, the salary you're looking for, right? The position you're looking for. Reach to crowd as much as you can, right? And I feel with the Capricorn, I feel money is there, but not solid money. ऐसा होता है ना कि वो पैसे आके ही चले जाने वाले हैं, वो मनी मुझे कहीं ना कहीं दिख रही है. बट ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप बिल्कुल ही एकदम मनी लेस. यू आर नॉट मनी लेस. मनी इज गोइंग टू बी देयर, बट दैट सेंस ऑफ लग्जरी इज नॉट देयर. तो जितने चाहिए सिर्फ उतने ही पैसे आ रहे हैं. तो सेविंग्स जितना हो सकता है सेविंग आपको करनी चाहिए, राइट? लेट्स move towards your love life. Okay, we have already three cards. Let's take them. We have drama. Okay. Queen of Flutes, which is the caregiver. Seven of Rings, for the right reasons. Okay, I need. Okay, so with drama, I feel with the Two of Cups, और जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला कि वो ब्लॉक एंड अनब्लॉक वाली गेम वो जो चल रही है, राइट, वो भी मुझे जैसे कि पहले भी आ चुका था. दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल फॉर यू, राइट. बट आई फील दिस इज़ द टाइम. आपकी फैमिली आपके लिए बहुत सपोर्टिव होगी, आपकी मदर आपके लिए बहुत सपोर्टिव होगी, राइट, इफ दैट इज़ द केस. Seven of Rings, for the right reasons. Exactly, जो हुआ, you know, things happen for a reason. Eight of Cups, things happened for a reason. Okay, we have Eight of Mirrors, which is Eight of Swords. हमारे पास Eight of Swords थी नहीं, हमारे पास I guess Nine of Swords थी, but we have lot of swords and wands cards in your head. So whatever conclusion or illusions you are in, those things are in your head only, right. You are like imagining the worst. Do not think worst, right. तो वो Eight of Cup, ये जो Nine of Swords है वो उससे भी आ जाता है, and the Nine of Pentacles, right. Eight and nines, you know, the nines are the number of completion. 9 के बाद 10 आते हैं तो चीज़ें ख़त्म हो जाती हैं. The new beginning is there for you. The new beginning is waiting for you. But you are in your head. You are in the past. You're trapped in the past. Nine of Wands होता है कि जब आप past की insecurities में ही उलझे हुए हैं, तो जब आप पुरानी चीज़ों में ही उलझे हुए रहेंगे, you will not be able to move ahead, right. For that you have right people there. Like I said, है ना, वो that help is there. So if you wish to talk to someone, that help is there. Okay, we have our cards. Okay, बहुत सारे cards आ रहे हैं आपके लिए. The Fans, and we have Four of Mirrors, Four of Swords. So okay, so very clear message. Four of Swords, take rest. If you need, what you can do is lock yourself, sleep, right. You need rest, right. And after that इतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं सोना है, मतलब you need rest. You need time to introspect the things that you have done in the past, right. And then we have the Fans, right. You're going to have good time with the family and friends. Like I said again, the help you are looking for, the help you need right now, the help is there, right. That help is there. You have good friends, you have good family, you have support. Rest. The you know, the worst consequences, the worst happenings, they are all in your head. That is not true. So you need to come out of that thing basically. You need to look for help. You need help, right. You need time to heal, and April is that month for healing. You can take break. You can take break from your work as well, right. Okay, so these are the messages for your love and personal relationship. For people who are single, I feel like this is the month to spend with the family and friends. If you're single, and I don't see anything, you know, major happening here, but I do feel that you're going to spend your time with friends and family, right. Good time with them, with your mother, with your father, with your parents, with your, you know, gang basically. So this is what there for you for pile 2. Let's see additional messages for pile 2. time. Okay, we have falling fast. Okay, love happens quickly, but don't lose yourself in the process. So maybe this is what had happened in the past. Maybe you might have fallen for someone who do not deserve your time, who do not deserve your energy, right? So it is not that you have done something bad. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. It happens and it's okay. It is okay, right? Do not punish yourself. Then we have long distance. Love knows no distance. It transcends time and space. So even if you're, let's say, if you're moving away from your family, if you're friends, and if you're, maybe if the case is this, that you're moving away from your loved ones, maybe from your partner, right? This is the message for you. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि long distance is going to, end the relationship. No. If it is meant to be, it will be, right? Your person is going to respect it, right? ऐसा भी हो सकता है दैट यू हैव रिसेंटली मेट समवन और अभी अभी बात करना शुरू किया एंड सडनली देयर दिस डिस्टेंस दैट इज़ हैपनिंग एंड यू आर नाउ स्केयर्ड कि चीज़ें ख़त्म तो नहीं हो जाएंगी या चीज़ें आगे बढ़ेंगी कि नहीं बढ़ेंगी. तो इट्स फाइन इफ इट्स मेंट टू बी, अगेन इफ इट्स मेंट टू बी इट विल बी, राइट. हाउ एवर आई डू सी कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है कि लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस की वजह से चीज़ें ख़त्म हो जाएंगी या XYZ. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, I need one more card. Alone time. Yes, you need alone time. You need some time for yourself. We have individuality. Be aware of possessive partners. Maintain your individuality. I'm going to keep it here because not only that, just in terms of your partner, but like I said earlier, even if you are in a relationship or if you are alone or single, right? You need some time to introspect your your space, your time, your situation right now, the circumstances that you are in, right? Do not lose yourself completely in the particular relationship or in the situation that you are in right now, right? This is the message for you, pile 2. For pile 2, one more time. Lifting the veil, questioning everything, anything unhinged must go. So things that are not serving you, you need to let them go. Things that are not for your greater good, you need to let those things go, right? Okay. Last we have a new earth. Beautiful message to end the reading, बिकॉज जब तक ये चीज़ें क्लीन नहीं होंगी पास्ट की, ये न्यू अर्थ नहीं आएगा, राइट? सो वट एवर यू आर ड्रीमिंग ऑफ और यू आर विशिंग फॉर इन द लाइफ, दैट थिंग, दोज थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग, बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू होल्ड योर विजन, राइट? You need to move out from this situation, you need to heal from this situation, and unless आप उन चीज़ों को उन चीज़ों से मूव ऑन नहीं करते, you will not be able to create space for that thing, राइट? ऑब्वियसली हमें कुछ लाइफ में कुछ नया लाना होता है तो हमें उसके लिए पहले स्पेस चाहिए होती है, एंड सेम गोज फॉर एनर्जीज, राइट? सो यू नीड टू मूव ऑन, यू नीड टू लीव द पास्ट बिहाइंड, you need to maintain your individuality, and with that you'll have the new start. I also see you going on a solo trip as well. I don't know, for some reason with this and now with this, I feel if you wish, you can have a solo trip. That is going to help you a lot. That is going to help you heal, right? So this is all that I'm seeing for you, pile 2. To wrap up, I will say again, move on, have faith in the universe, have faith in the divine, right? What is meant for you will find its way. And right now in the month of April, you need to heal, you need to move on, right? So that's all. Pile 2. If you like this reading, if this reading helped you, resonate with you आपके साथ, तो please like, share and subscribe. And until next time, bye.